Mastering idioms, understanding, play possum. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our English idiom series. Today, we're going to dive into the intriguing expression, play possum. This phrase has a fascinating origin and a practical application in everyday English. So, get ready to add another colorful idiom to your linguistic toolkit. The phrase, play possum, originates from the behavior of the North American opossum. When this animal is threatened, it sometimes falls into an involuntary shock state, resembling death. This is a defense mechanism to avoid predators. The term, possum, in our phrase refers to this particular animal, and play refers to the act of pretending. To play possum means to pretend to be asleep or dead. It can also mean to pretend to be unaware or uninterested in order to avoid confrontation or deceive someone. This idiom is used metaphorically to describe a person who is trying to avoid attention or escape a situation by feigning ignorance or incapacity. Let's see how to use play possum in everyday conversations. When the teacher asked who had forgotten to submit the homework, Jake started to play possum, hoping she would move on to someone else. During the hide-and-seek game, the youngest child played possum to avoid being found by her siblings. The boxer seemed to play possum to lure his opponent into a false sense of security before the counterattack. Remember, using idioms like play possum can add a playful and native-like quality to your English. However, it's best used in informal situations and with people who understand English idioms well. It's also a great phrase to use in creative writing or when telling stories. That's a wrap on play possum. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this idiom and can use it to enrich your English vocabulary. Stay tuned for more language learning videos, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Happy learning, and see you next time!